Hello everybody, welcome to all of you on our YouTube channel Maths Techno. And today I am going to start an important lecture series on the unit named matrix. In this lecture series we know about definition of matrix, order of matrix and its application, and at last I will show you an example of matrix. Now we start this lecture. First, I am going to tell the definition of matrix. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. It is denoted by a capital letter like capital A, B, C. The numbers or functions which we use to form matrix are called elements or the entries of the matrix. The horizontal elements in the matrix together makes a row. Similarly, the vertical elements makes a column. For example, in the given matrix A, where entries are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, has 2 rows and 3 columns. Now we talk about the order of matrix. Order of matrix is the number of rows and columns we used in the matrix. It actually tells us about the size of matrix, that how much large our matrix is. For example, here we take a matrix C where entries are 1 0 0 1. Then matrix C has 2 rows and 2 columns. Hence its order is 2 cross 2. Now we talk about application of matrix, that how matrix played an important role in our daily life. So the first application, that these are used in personal computers for writing programs and encryption of programs for protective measure that third party may not access our information. Second important application, that these are used in the different areas of business like budgeting, sale production, cost estimation. These are also used in the field of science for analyzing result of experiment and make a conclusion on it. These are some important application of matrices. If you find some more important application, then you can write in the comment section. Now I show you an example based on the matrix. I hope it is visible on your screen. In this example, we have given information regarding the number of men and women workers in 3 factories. In factory number 1, men worker are 30, women worker are 25. In factory number 2, men worker are 25, women worker are 31. In factory number 3, men worker are 27 and women worker are 26. And we have to represent the above information in the form of a 3 cross 2 matrix. Here 3 cross 2 represent order of matrix, means the matrix which we form in our solution must have 3 rows and 2 columns. In this solution, we denote our matrix with capital A and put all the information provided us in our problem in a rectangular array. And this rectangular array is our required matrix. If we observe this solution matrix carefully, there are 3 rows and 2 columns in that matrix. Here elements 30 and 25 makes row 1, elements 25 and 31 makes row 2, and element 27 and 26 makes row 3. Now if we see vertically, then element 30, 25, 27 makes column first and element 25, 31, 26 makes column second. Hence we can say that it is a matrix of order 3 cross 2. Now this matrix representation can be used to perform different tasks, like we can find the average wage of man workers and average wage of women workers. After this we can make comparison that man worker earn more or women workers earn more or both are equal. All these things we can find with the help of this matrix representation. Matrix representation is actually a alternate of tabular form in which we remove the horizontal and vertical lines and represent only provided information or data for easiness to do calculations. This completes the topic of this video. Now if you want to develop some more curiosity about this topic matrix, then I will suggest to watch a movie totally based on the laws and concept of matrix. The name of the movie is also Matrix. You also need not to watch full movie. You can go for 10 or 15-minute explanation which you can easily find on many YouTube channels. Here I show you a poster of this movie. So we meet in the next video where we come with types of matrix and operation on matrices. Till then, bye bye, take care. I hope you all enjoy the video and have a nice day. Thank you.